DLTR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether $3 stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. When I'm looking at DLTR, $67 is where we're sitting at, and we have a pretty decent movement towards the upside today. I had just like a pretty crappy line pointing towards the downside, but let me kind of explain the whole idea behind $3. This thing, like last week's performance was just, I mean, so far, this is the second last day before we close, but we are 20% down. And I was like, okay, we might as well just continue making new lows. The only case in which $3 is going to be something bullish for me is going to be if we start breaking above $104. And do you know how much we have to go up in that case? Like 50%. Is it doable? Of course it is, but for right now, like more likely than not, we're going to take it lower. But only if the double break is met. Like only if there's like a decent double break, only then I'm going to take this market lower. Anything else, again, is going to be noise. So this is not financial advice. If you want to learn the strategy for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm waiting.